Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Login Aid. This video is going to be a tutorial on the topic how to fix too many friends on Snapchat. Firstly, go ahead and tap on Snapchat. Then you'll be in a page interface something like this. In this page, tap on the chat icon on the bottom second option. What we're going to do here is simply remove friends and fix too many friends on Snapchat. Select on any friend you want to remove and long press it. After you long press it, a menu like this will pop up on the screen and you'll have to tap on Manage Friendship. After you tap on Manage Friendship, a menu like this will pop up on the screen and you can see the option of Remove Friend in the second last option. Tap on it and tap on Remove again. After that, you can see the friend is removed. If that does not solve your problem, tap on your profile icon on the left upper corner of your screen. Then you can see a gear icon on the right upper corner. Tap on it. Then you'll be on your settings page. In this page, scroll down until you find Support and tap on I Need Help. After you tap on it, you'll be redirected to Snapchat support page. In this page, scroll down to the bottom of the page until you find Contact Us. After you find it, tap on it. Tapping on it will redirect you to a page something like this. In this page, you can see what can we help you with. Underneath, you can see I found a bug. Tap on it. After you tap on the circle besides it, scroll down to the bottom of the page and tap on Yes besides Still Need Help. After you do that, you'll be loaded with another question with what's not working. Tap on your friends option in the fourth option. Then scroll down again and you can see what are you having trouble with question and tap on friend lists. After you tap on that, it might take a while. Then after that, you'll be loaded to a page something like this. In this page, you'll have to type in your username. Type your friend's Snapchat username, which is optional. Type in your email address. Type in your mobile number. Type in your device. Type the date when you started having this issue. I started having it yesterday, so I'm going to type 30th of August 2023. After that, add any attachments or file you have of the problem. Then give a description in the box below the description. I've typed, I've been having this problem of too many friends on Snapchat, please fix it. After that, tap on submit on the bottom of your page. Then you'll be sent an email from Snapchat within a while and do as the email says. So that's it for the video guys. I hope the video was informative. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Till then, keep watching.